Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In our today's tutorial, I want to show you how to project and create a new shapefile in ArcGIS 10.8. Let's go. Let's open to our ArcGIS 10.8. As you can see, it is loading now. Okay, this is the interface. Let's navigate to where we have our catalog. Then we click on to connect with the document, or you leave there, go to the body, right click on any interface. You can also open your folder on new folder, a taskbar, right click, go to new, go to folder. We are going to create a new folder for this shapefiles. Let's call it choose files. That is the folder where all our shapefiles are going to be stored, going to be saved. Okay. Biggest here. Right click, go to new, scroll down. There are several options. Scroll down. Our point of interest at this point is Shapefile. Down. Yeah, here we are. Click on Shapefile. You can see name. Let's call it road. Then on the feature type is a polyline. And then you can see that they have unknown coordinate systems. So let's project the shapefiles. Edit, projected coordinate system. Scroll down to UTME. Scroll down to WHG 1984. Scroll down to SAT. Open it again. Scroll down. My point of interest, my study area is on zone 32. Okay. Then okay. Can see we have done projected coordinate system. Okay. Let's go to that same folder. Right click, go to new, scroll down to new, then scroll down to Shapefile. Let's call him the name boundaries. Okay. Local government, and the feature type is polygon. Now let's project the unknown coordinate system. Scroll down to UTM, scroll down to HWH, the same zone 32. Okay. Let's go for the third one. You can see you have it on our layers, table of content, new, shapefile, name type, boundaries. Feature type, polyline. scroll down, the same color system as the previous. Maybe the point of interest I'm going to use for working, there are some location points, so let's create a shapefile for that. Location, point. Then let's project a coordinate system, there are no coordinate system. See, so you also have your table of content, so please do it to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Wait for other videos. Why do so? Thank you for watching.